Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in, and if you want to see more of me, subscribe to my channel and also click the notification bell button so that you will notified every time I do upload a new video. So I decided why not to share with you my skincare, my daily skincare routine before I'm applying with my makeup. Alright guys, this is normally I do every day when I'm getting ready for work, before I'm gonna do my makeup and everything. So I make sure that I'm gonna do my skincare first before applying my makeup. So first thing I'm gonna do, I put my toner. I love this toner. I've been using this for a month. So this is what's look like the toner that I'm using for a month. Pure Heals by Nature Village. So it has a little bit toner left on the bottle because I use it. This is what's look like, guys, because I use it like every day before I'm gonna do my makeup and everything. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on the round cotton and put it all over my face like that. And that's how I do my makeup. That's how I do my skincare. I just want to make sure I do my skincare before applying everything onto my face. So we're done with the toner. Next is I love using eye cream in the morning and at night. So this is my favorite eye cream too. Really nice eye cream, Dr. Brand Retinol eye cream. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put it under my eyes like that. Just a little bit cream on it before we're gonna do our makeup like that. Okay, done with the eye cream. So next step is the moisturizer. So I use this Murad Environmental Shield Essential C Daily Moisture Broad Spectrum SPF 30. I love this moisturizer, and it has SPF 30. It look like when I apply it on my face, it look like the, what do you call, sunscreen that you can put it in your skin. That's why it's look like it's like shiny and glowy, but it's not sticky at all. That's why I love this moisturizer. Not really sticky, and it gives those like super glowy, shiny, healthy looking skin. And yeah, I'm just gonna put it all over my face. It's really nice moisturizer. And it smells really good too. I'm just gonna put it all over my face and my neck too, so that like give moisturizer on my neck too when I go outside under the sun. This is actually perfect when summertime. I love put it like all over my face. I put a lot of this because this is really nice moisturizer during like sunny day. It protect your skin from the sun. So after that, we're gonna just blend it all over our face. See guys, sometimes if I don't have time, I just use this as a foundation. It gives those really shiny look into your face. Super nice moisturizer though, day moisturizer. And it has SPF 30, so it's protect your skin from the sun. I'm just gonna put it all over my face like that. Oh, I love this day moisturizer. Can you see the glowy on my skin, guys? That's how it's look like. That's what it's look like when applying it to my face. Actually, I can go to work like this. I'm just gonna do my eyebrows and my mascara and I'm done. Sometimes I do that if I'm lazy and I do not have time to play with my makeup. I just put this moisturizer on my face and do my eyebrows and do my mascara, and yeah, I'm done. Make sure to blend it to neck too. There you go. It's really nice moisturizer though. And then what I do, I'm gonna like massage it, my face up after applying the moisturizer. And you can see, guys, it's glowy on my skin. Oh, I just love this day moisturizer. Really nice day moisturizer. You can see, guys, glowy. Let's go closer. Super nice. And it's not sticky at all, and it smells so good. So this is the last thing that I do before applying makeup. This is the Ruffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist. So what I do, I don't like it spraying directly to my face because the hole, it's too, I think it's big, and it comes the product all over your face like big mist. Like it's a mess when I try to apply it all over my face. So what I do, I don't like doing that. I'm just gonna shake it a little bit. This is really nice mist too, really important after you apply your makeup. Shake it, and then I'm just gonna put it, and then I'm just gonna spray it a little bit on my hand, and I start dumping it to my face. Oh, like that. It smells so good, and also it's like what do you call that? Cold. Feel cold after you apply it in your face though. I'm just gonna dab it like really gently. And yeah, that's my daily skincare before applying my makeup. It feels good when you do your daily skincare, because daily skincare, it's really important before you're applying your makeup to like help your skin more healthier, or whatever you call that. So yeah, we're almost done. Oh, I have one more thing before we're gonna put start the foundation, is the primer. I forgot my primer. I'll be right back. Okay, last is the really important too when you're applying makeup or foundation. What's that sound? That's weird. The primer. It set your foundation nice and how do you say it? It set your foundation super nice. There you go. It's hard to think. And this is the that I've been using daily. This is the super cute primer from Tarte. This is Tarte Quench Hydrating Primer. And the color is mint green. It's super nice to put in your, what do you call it, in your face too. It make like you're putting ice cube in your face. It's so cold when you start putting in your face. That's why I love this one. Make my face like hide putting on the freezer or something. It is really cold when you apply it in your face. Cold feeling. Oh my god, I love how I do my daily skincare routine before I'm going to put my makeup on. Normally I do makeup like every day going to work, so that's helped me a lot. Before putting anything makeup on my face, I make sure that I do my skincare routine first. So yeah, that's it for my daily skincare routine before applying my makeup. So there you go, guys, and I'm just gonna do my makeup off the camera real quick because I do work today and it is 12:03 in the afternoon. I'm running out of time, and normally I go to work 12:30. So I still have 30 minutes to play with my makeup, and yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, everyone. I just do a quick makeup look, a very simple makeup look for today. I forgot, so this is my makeup look for today, guys. A very simple makeup look for today. This is what I do all the time if I don't have extra time. So I just put mascara on my eyelashes, because normally if I have more time to play with my makeup, I do my wing liner. I love playing with my wing liner all the time. I like my eyes with wing liner, but for today, because of this quick video, so I decided just put mascara on and I'm good. I'm about to leave, and that's it for today's vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I will see you again on my next video. Thank you so much again, everyone, for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye. Bye, everyone.